Wow. Welcome everyone to Forex Accuracy CA trading. From my last video, we discovered about 2019 and the volatility in markets, and we talked to you about the probability of making money despite the volatility of the market. We did our best research and come out with possible results. As you can see, we have a profit of $12,655 from our trade. That's a lot of money, man. You know I'm talking about. You know that making money in forex require simple strategy that you have used over time. It's strategy that that you have used and have worked for several time and keep on working for you, then keep on pulling which amount of profit to you, then you become better and better at it and become a pro. So you could see I want to talk to you in this video what makes us different. See, there are different forex trader. Even in fact, in everything any business you're into, what make you different, what make you exceptional, your concept, your strategy, not to win the market. And that's what forex is all about. See, forex is not about being in the forex market for 20 years, 10 years, 40 years, blah blah blah. No, it's how are you able to learn this strategy, learn very well, and use it with advantage, and able to win over times. That probability of picking or picking trade and being a winner. That will make you success in this business. And the major thing is that you need to play by the rule. Forex has rules, so play by the rules, you win. And if you don't, the reverse is the case. But in this video, I'm going to be straight to the point, because our users, they love that you expect so much from us this year, which we are working on. Because everything we said this year, we've achieved 70% of our groundwork. And I would like to bring to you the 5 major markets we discovered with you on the last video. See this D30, amount of is in profit. See, a lot of them are in profit right here. UK oil, Australian gas, US oil. All right, so I'm going to discuss some things that we use, and that if you have to follow it, you'll probably be a winner in the forex market. So one of the things we look out for, in trading, trading techniques. This is a long-term trade. The strategy you're going to embark in long-term strategy, and the short term could be different. You can see here we have UK oil, that is natural gas, D30, US oil. A lot of them of these currencies have different time. They have time for the involvement, that trending. So you got to understand how they move in the forex markets, their movements. You have to scan for a high probability trade, into analysis, to know which way you go. and we've done that, you know with our research team. We found out the probability of a trade of each of this currency, find out where are they going. So, so we have to be concerned. We have to find out, and that means you have to do your conversion checklist on the on currency before you go into the markets. See, it stand you out, it make you different. That's the difference between successful forex trader and the in the markets. you know you know um so and we are being blessed to many, because many have come to benefit from our training, from our signals, and it's a win-win relationship though. So trading techniques is so important, so important. You cannot ignore it. It makes you exceptional, it makes you different. See, and if your trading techniques fail you or didn't work for you anymore, you need to find out what happened in the markets, because markets change over time. They change. You find out that some currencies go bearish for some time. Over some time ago, D30 have been bearish. Bearish last year, but it switched position to bullish market. It's buy. See, that's what your trading techniques tells you. You see, so it's very important. And in your trading techniques, you do your conversion checklist. That way you do it, you do it from, and you have to pick multiple steps of confirmation because it help you pick more winners. It make you a winner in the market. They help you see things you would not have otherwise seen. See, you'll be shocked why. Some of you are wondering why is this real for real? Well, we have passed beyond with this real or real here. They said that since believing, you can see for yourself this profit. There's no there's nothing to write right here. This is visible to you. So trading techniques will give you the power in the markets. Will make you a successful winner. See, you really have we have few Forex here. That's a USD, Hong Kong, Zara JPY, Pound JPY, most US natural gas indices, and we do exceptional. And I tell you, if you pick more of Forex, you see have won because of our trading techniques. See, so that tells us, that takes me to the second part. You need to understand trend line. See, a lot of time you hear people talk about trend line. Trend line is your friend. Yes, of course it is. You have to discover the trend. Go with the flow. Don't say, oh, this market, I just want to sell and it's buying. See, the trend is your friend. Go with the trend. You need to understand trend line. Then with trend line, you need to understand what they call support and resistance. You got to understand it, because when you see a candlestick telling you the buy right now is buy candle, don't necessarily mean buying. See how to do an analysis to check your checklist to find out if it's really going to buy, and if it's actually going to sell, because it could change the candlestick. It might not trend. So that take us to trending currency. See, you need to know the movement in forex markets, how currency behaves, and how to make money with them. With it is very important, and this trading currency gives you a lot of when you do analysis, it gives you high probability currency to trade. And you see right here we only have like few currencies here that we are trading on. That's D30. You see D30 which is more because of the high probability of the signals, D30. And then we have UK oil, US 100, we have also US oil. See, we have US 30, a few of them right here. We have ES35. See, we have a palladium USD. See, so it's not about picking all the currency in the market to make money from. See, it's our selection for the week. Their selection, because we know we're going to win more this currency, this kind of market. We do analysis, we knew. So these are trending currency, and don't be surprised that if you follow consistently, if you be our student, because this year we are raising more millionaire students. As for my last video, we are raising more millionaire students, more to pick three like as a pro, and be a winner in the market. See, very important. See, so this very interesting. When you have results like this, it gives you the upper edge. It makes you understand that what you are doing is right, and it give you the upper edge. You move on, more confidence. Then you open your eye to see to see higher, in the boost of confidence. See, and the rest is not an issue, and you find yourself making progress, and you want everybody to know what you are doing. That's what we on the platform want to know our results. We want to understand. We want to make a result as we make. Want to solve our results. Because tell you, not everybody win like this in the market. As there are many winners, there are still many losers in the market today. Yes, but what stands you out? There are these things I've discussed with you: trading techniques, trend line, trending currency. That's not all. There's still more. More with more in our webinar, training webinar with our students. See, we train more. Tell them more of it. Normal. And you understand that price move in different directions. That makes alone. That tells you. That makes you know if it's a long time or short time trade. And when it moves, there's a retest in market, because because what happens right now has happened before. See, this currently trending, meaning huge profit. It has happened before. We go back to history, it has happened. that's happened to that is come to retest that history today. And as of today, I tell you, Vanadium USD is trending. It is a bearish market. D30 is a bullish market. US30 is a bullish market. You see, ES35 is a bullish market. You know, UK oil is a UK oil, US oil is a bullish market. You know, and it has come to stay for some time. And don't be surprised, it is going to tremor like this. It's going to buy and sell more like this. But that doesn't mean you should go in and now you have to test the market. You have to test it. You have to test the direction it's going to. You know, and the last I'm going to talk to you right here is very important. You know, proper risk management. You can see from our trade, our highest loss size so far was 10 cents. 10 cents, and I picked some of them, few of them. See, a lot of people go into forex thinking that that making more money in forex is all about your big loss size. No, that's the wrong perception of forex. You know, if you're frustrated and you see risk more than your account, you still reach more than 3% of your account. You know, it shows that you're not following the rules of forex, and if you are making money with it, you won't last longer in the market. You know, it's no saying that you know, one day it may not last. It may eat you one day because I see some people use $1, $2, $3, $4, $10, $20. No, some even $30, $50 to make them go in the market. You want to make more. You thought it will boost their account fast and then you have a market. I understand some people use that as a scalping. You know, it's still wrong because market could move against you. Imagine you use 10 cents. You use 10 lots, $10, and the market go against you like 50 pips. That's a huge loss of money, and before you know, you're out of margin, you're out of margin percent, and you know, the rest is an history for you. You know, that's why we are here. We don't want you to lose the market. We want you to have bad experience as others. We want you to have a good result. You know, we want you to win the market. See, we want you to be successful. We want to make you a millionaire. So we have a right attention. See, that's why we want you to bring your friends, your families. You know, inform them of this group. You know, inform them of our channel because many are benefiting already, and I want you to benefit. See, I've seen over time people say they are forex trader. I've been trading 15 years, 20 years, 10 years. That's wow. That's so I heard them say that a lot of times, and wonder what are they doing, you know, to be better in what you're doing. Not to be a game changer in the forex market is so amazing. It makes you exceptional. It really makes you a role model. You know, you make a mentor to many, and you know, it separates you. You know, it puts among the winners, and you are prone to success in the industry. So we said the risk management. If you see, our lowest was 1 cent, 2 cents. You know, 1, 2 cents. You know, we didn't risk much of our account size. You know, that shows we know what we are doing. See, we know what we are doing, and we are doing it right. We're doing it right. I tell you, if all this trade go against us, against me, you know, I tell you, the account will still be hindered. So That's proper risk management. So we teach that very strongly. It's a course on its own. And, you are welcome, and then we want you to look forward to this year. Even in the midst of volatility, there's so much money to be made in the industry. There's so much money. We're in the largest financial market, and that doesn't mean you should risk your account by using big loss size, thinking you want to make more money. No, my friend, you're not going to do that. You're going to start small. They're not good. They're not bad in starting small, but you don't remain small, but you start from somewhere. And we are there. That's why we are there. We are still obey the rules. We obey the rules. Paris Magic, because it's a rule, it can go against anybody. So we teach that strongly, and said we are training more millionaires. We are raising more millionaires in the industry, and we want you to come on board. We give us signals in our group. We give us signals. Then we want to know more. We want to be an independent trader. We train. We make you the best out of there. We train you as a pro to effectively use our tools, and to try as a pro, you grow your ego high to pick high probability trade for yourself. And you see, get our signals. So you should have access to our signals. So you are welcome. We'll bring you more updates soon, because I tell you, we are ranking money profit, and we are, as every day we work, we do research on every currency, and we're going to come up with updates soon. Just to let you know, our strategy works, and always working. So I want you to like our video. You're not subscribed, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button to receive all the notification when uploading videos. So peace. So we'll come back next time. We give more updates from us, from our team, Forex accuracy. You're welcome. Thank you.